If you are running a business in South Africa, then by now you must know the word compliance because for many business owners, this is a swear word and a word to fear. But if you need help with compliance, then this video is for you. My name is Olivia and I specialize in business compliance for in South Africa. And I'm passionate about helping businesses to get out of the mess of non-compliance. So today I'm going to talk about what compliance means, why you get into trouble, and the biggest mistakes that business owners make in South Africa. So to start off, let's look at what is compliance. Compliance means that you adhere to sound fancy, but in a less formal way, it means that you follow and obey the rules, laws, and regulations for running a business in South Africa. Now, to be compliant, you need to pay attention to CIPC and to the South African Revenue Services, who need to be compliant. Who needs to be compliant? As a sole proprietor, even if you own a business and it's not registered with CIPC, you are running it maybe from home, or you're running it from your backyard, or you are running it just you. It's me, myself, and I. And you are even called self-employed, or you are known as a sole trader. You still have to be compliant. You do not deal with CIPC, but you must still pay taxes to SARS. And if you are a sole proprietor, if you are self-employed, and you have people working for you, you must still pay UIF and you must still pay taxes for your employees, even as a sole proprietor. Now, let's look at who else must adhere. Then when you do have a registered business, you are registered with the CIPC and you are registered for taxes with SARS. You must then obey these rules and these laws and these regulations. So it's sole proprietors and it's when you own a business. As a business, a registered business, when you have a turnover, a taxable turnover, to sound fancy, but if that only means if you have a taxable income of more than R1 million, you must register for that. Value added tax, the one that has been in the news for the last, I think, 2 to 3 months, where the government wanted to increase it with 2%, but now they have increased it with 0.5%, which means VAT is now 15.5%. So to be compliant with VAT, you must file it every second month. Then also company taxes, you must file it once a year also with the South African Revenue Services. And like I've said before, if you have employees, you must every month, you must pay as you earn, UIF and SDL, the Skills Development Levy, if your payroll is over 500,000 Rand. So those are the basics of compliance. So what are the biggest mistakes that business owners make in South Africa? The first one, they don't register for tax, which means if you have a business, if you are running a business, even as a sole proprietor, if you are running a business and you don't have a tax number, already you are in trouble and SARS will find you. Number 2, you are registered for tax. Your business is registered for tax, but you don't file. It means you are non-compliant. Number 3, you are registered, you are filing, but you are not paying your taxes. That means you are non-compliant and you are in trouble already. The fourth mistake that business owners make is that when they are found by SARS, they ignore the emails, they ignore the SMSs, they ignore all the communication from SARS. That is a mistake. It is actually the biggest mistake that you can make. Never ever ignore SARS. It will just make it worse. And for the record, I absolutely hate SARS. I hate them with all my heart. I hate them with a passion. I hate them with every fiber in my body. But SARS doesn't deal with emotions. SARS doesn't deal with feelings or my likes or my dislikes or my opinions. All SARS wants is their money. So how do you get out of trouble with SARS? The first thing is to get the right person to do your books. South African business owners. Hey, my people. All I'm asking is stop with the DIY. It's going to bring you into trouble if it hasn't brought you into trouble already. DIY, shortcuts, quick fixes, it's gonna cost you. And it's going to cost you dearly. Because to untangle the mess, because remember now, first you have the mess of being non-compliant. Then you have the mess of you wanted to do it cheaply. There's no cheap to fix a mess. So if you are cheap and if you are thinking it's going to be a quick fix, don't come to me. I don't want you as a client. Don't even call me. Don't Google me. Don't send me a WhatsApp message. Don't email me. Because to fix a mess of non-compliance, it's going to be a lengthy process and it's going to be a costly process. But there is always hope. So the first thing you need to do is to reach out to the right person, is to make sure that you have all your documents in place. And look, let's face it, let me rephrase that. Many business owners think that their bank statements are enough for compliance. No, not so. Keep every slip, every invoice that you have. If you don't have anything, you only have your bank statement and the invoices of your clients, right? There's always hope. Understand that when the mess gets fixed and you do get an ugly, horrible, shocking tax bill from SARS, if you don't have any documents to back it up, if you don't have any proof to show to SARS, look, there's been a miscalculation, you have to pay the debt. Unfortunately, painfully, bitterly, infuriatingly so, that is the reality. So to fix the mess, stop with the DIY, get a professional, keep all your documents, file on time. That is crucial because every month or every year that you don't file, it adds to penalties, it adds to interest, and it will just blow up your tax bill, your tax debt. It will blow it up so much that you will be depressed just thinking about it. So if you are in trouble right now and you have received your letter of final demand, remember this: SARS is open to communication. SARS wants your money. The process of taking a business owner to court is costly and it's time consuming. So the best thing is reach out through a professional and talk to SARS and renegotiate and start paying. Start paying what you have, start paying what you can, but do not pay nothing. And don't be of the attitude that I'm not going to pay because SARS will find me. And when they find me, that's when I'm going to do something. No. Be proactive. Manage your taxes well. It will save you a lot of heartache. It will save you from a big headache, because the headache of SARS can ruin your business and it can ruin your life. So to end off with, I want to say to you as a business owner, if you are in trouble with SARS right now, if you are in trouble with CIPC, if you are non-compliant in any form, shape, or manner, remember, there are always hope, and reach out to the right person who can assist you with the right steps and who can help you through the process. And if you need help, you can reach out to me. You will find all my information in the link below. And let's start building amazing businesses. Let's start build businesses that are compliant, that grow the economy, and that enrich the lives of our employees, because that is what we do as business owners. My name is Olivia. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please send me any comments, any questions, and you're more than welcome to contact me. And just a disclaimer, this is purely for information. If you need the right advice and the right guidance, reach out to a professional. Thank you for watching.